Feeling gratitude. Feeling gratitude for what is beautiful now or what we once experienced is probably the easiest way to open the heart chakra. When two new energetic healing partners get to know each other, gratitude is therefore a better conversation topic than news or small talk. Let's talk to each other openly, lovingly, and honestly about what we are grateful for right now in this moment. Let's reflect the gratitude back to each other. Let's open up by actively and empathically feeling into the issues we have found together. Let us gradually fill every cell of our body with energetic gratitude, a power directly from the center of our heart. Also, when experiencing SEH, we can feel and experience our gratitude together. Let's hold each other, sense each other, and just notice how it feels. Can we be grateful for this sensation? Then we smile inwardly and outwardly. Feel and enjoy this gratitude, which feels wholesome and good and can work wonders.